Alright, so this is what a hotel that's about to be decommissioned looks like in the final days of before it's totally just the pool here. So, decent cesspool. I don't want to say where this place is at because it might cause some problems, but this is the pool of this place. So the area we're in, it's an industrial, kind of industrial area here in Louisville, Kentucky. Here's the stairwell, which we're not going to go down initially. We're going to go down the main hallway here. And there's a restroom. Looks like probably that was a maybe a workout room or something like that. This is the laundry room. So it's got the washers and dryers and guest stuff and all that kind of thing. This is one of the rooms. And try to get this light here right. So there's your sink. Come out of the bathroom. Notice it's already got the faucet off, but strange enough, it has the soap sitting there where someone used it last. So this hotel was closed within about a week, within the last week anyway. So it was having guests and holding people, and there's some different artifacts and stuff here from then. So you see the TV's gone, most of the furniture in the rooms. This is a pretty representation of all the rooms. All the furniture's gone. Little table there, it's about it. But it had a little couch, like a hideaway bed type couch right there. And then you had, obviously a bed. That's the frame there with the mattress right there. Then it had a couple little tables, and then like a dresser and a TV stand and TV. The irons are they're all gone. The stands themselves, the irons are gone. A lot of the rooms are on toilet paper. I guess they have a construction crew that comes through and cleans, takes all the usable equipment out. Head back toward the lobby here. So, more rooms. You see them in different states of repair and disrepair, but they're going to take this place, and I'm not sure if they're going to knock it down or change and add to existing construction, but how the outside's going to be different. It's going to be a different chain of hotels. It's actually going to be functioning. So as you come in the lobby here, this is it's probably the breakfast room and the meeting room. And you got all these are the couches that turn into hide beds instead of the crappy spring beds. There's an elevator. This place is 3 stories tall, so it's got 3 floors of rooms. Going through here. And again, the rooms are about the same. They're not much different, from one to the other. One might have less furniture, more furniture. Might be a storage room for furniture, but that's about it. So the heat's on still, the water's still on, internet's still on, so I'm able to do stuff. And there's another room there. Here's the exit stairwell. There's outside. It's raining currently. Here's the first floor stairwell to go up to the second floor. There's the third landing there, but it's an ice room, so the ice machine still works. Go up to that. I used this actually last night. Oh, there's ice. So all the cap windows here have they have the OSB in the wood framing there instead of windows. Windows are all taken out, so on the exteriors there. This floor seems like it's got a little more furniture into it, and it's maybe a little, I don't know, the furniture's probably about where it was before. So there's one of the dressers and TV stand there, and night table. There's the headboard for the bed. Bathroom, same. There's one of the couches on its side. I look pretty comfortable back in the day, probably. End table, side table there. So, bed frames, more furniture sitting down the end of the hallway here. There's a room with a bunch of furniture in it, tables and stuff. Had moving trucks here the last few days, and they're taking the furniture out and disposing of it. However they're going to dispose of it, I don't know if they're donating it or throwing the garbage or whatever they're doing, but the rooms all seem to be pretty clean as far as any kind of effects at all. There's some garbage right there from the construction workers, the movers. They have started some light demolition. Here's the overlook here. So this is down on the first floor in the lobby. You can see all the doors over there. And then the lobby and the artwork from the rooms. There's the desk down there. So mechanical space. Some more furniture. And this hotel is pretty typical. At either end of the rooms, you've got on the first floor, remember, it was the laundry. On this floor, it's the it's like some storage, I think, some office files, and yeah, it's a storage on the door even. But so you've got some paperwork from past years, copier, seat out of their van, some more storage stuff here. So plunger, everyone needs one. Laundry. It's actually a pretty decent looking laundry as far as they go. One of the is that a dryer or wash? I think it's a dryer. Yep, it's a washer. So it's out of order, but you got your folding area right there. It's about the cleanest smelling room in the whole place. Go up here to the third floor. The third floor is the most stripped down looking floor. So you can see again the same thing, the same pattern. You got the storage area of files and that kind of stuff. Not too interesting. Garbage can. This was like a suite maybe, or like a meal preparation thing, or it's like that. Now it's just holding some of the construction gear. And back here you've got the workbox and ladders and other implements. So these rooms are all, and they're all about the same. Turn my light on right here. So there's some more beds. There's a view looking kind of over the general area anyway. There's a plane coming in. Saw my face. So you may see some of this stuff at a hotel near you because they're apparently either selling it or getting rid of it, donating it somewhere. So they got some notations on the walls here as far as the measurements and if the water's on this part of the building or not. They're going to revamp it. I'll look at the blueprints. The blueprints looked really nice as far as what they're wanting to do with it. Shouldn't be that big of a deal to get it done. Just take about I think it said about a year to get all of it done. And so this is one of the Americans with Disabilities Act handicapped rooms, which usually are bigger, have a bigger bathroom, obviously. Have like this thing right there. It's really nice. You're right in the middle of the building, so it's kind of a good view. You got the U.S. flag, Kentucky flag, and there's a parking lot. Again, like I said, I haven't said before, in Louisville, Kentucky, doing this. So, moving equipment, elevators, headboards, a bunch of headboards, sinks out of the fixture there. Some of these rooms, they still they have the heat differences, where you're, when you're walking, think about it. I mean, everybody has the same thermostat, the same temperature readings and stuff. And so you may have someone that, is okay with having a room the temperature of like an old lady nursing home type temperature, but somebody else may not want it that hot. So you can tell comes to the guest, we're in this place here within the last week. So, and there's also some some different smells. So some rooms smell better than others. I'm not sure if it's air freshener or what, but so yeah, that's about it. This is the third floor, top of the third floor. We're going back downstairs, and yeah, so this place should be finished in about a year or so, they said, and be something else. So another ice machine. Looking down the third floor hallway there. That's it.